Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a little show and tell. I wanted to share 2 items that I received in the mail that I can't wait to open, and they are my chatbooks. Most of you have seen my recent chatbooks video where I introduced what chatbooks is and I showed you my collection. Today I'm featuring the newest item that they added to their line, which are called month books. Before I open up my month books, I wanted to tell you a little bit about what month books are. Chatbooks has a line of different options of how you want to get your photo books printed. You can do it the traditional way and print whatever photos you want into a book, or they have an option for subscriptions. The month book subscription was designed to help you keep up with getting your photos printed. Every month you can choose up to 30 pictures. You can choose hardcover for $13 or softcover for $8. What I decided was to dedicate each month book to the birthday celebrations that fall within that month. All right, I'm excited to open these up. They come in a bubble wrap for protection. All right. This is my January book, and this is my January baby. This is my son, Payten, celebrating his 11th birthday. You get to also choose what color theme you want. I went with black. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about this. That's how the book looks. It's very cute. It's thin. It has a spine where it tells you the date. So this is a January 2021. So for my son, I did make that cake for him. If you guys want to learn how to make this cake, I'll link it down in the description box. Another birthday that we celebrate in January is my father-in-law. And this is also a cake that I made for him. And those are the kids with him on his birthday. And for those of you who don't know, I'm really into making themed birthday cakes. Right now I'm really into doing like letter and number cakes. I started my chatbooks collection by creating photo albums for all of our family vacations. And then I started doing an annual book. So all of 2015 I have an album for 2016, 17, 18, and so on. So now on top of the yearly chatbook orders, I'm gonna do month orders, and we're gonna highlight on everyone's birthday. So yeah, that's my January book. Now my next book must be my February book. All right, and this is my February baby. This is my husband on his 31st birthday, and I also made that cake for him. It's an anti-gravity cake, which was inspired by Chells from Chells Sugar Rush. I'll pop her up right here. Please go and check her out. She makes beautiful cakes, and I learned so much from her. So for my husband's birthday, let's pick a random page here. Oh, some pictures of us. This was on my husband's birthday. See, this is so lovely. I just love chatbooks. They just make it so easy. You save so much time. You don't need to go and buy an album. You don't need to get your photos printed. You don't have to wait for them to get printed. And you don't have to physically insert them into the photo albums yourself. So if you are interested in starting your very own chatbooks collection, I will leave their links in the description box below. And you're more than welcome to use my code SALLY20 for 20% off of your first chatbooks order. Visit them on their social media platforms, on Instagram, which is @chatbooks. Follow them on Facebook, Chatbooks MomForce Book Club. Anyone and everyone is invited to join. If you're a podcast listener, go and check out the MomForce Podcast. You can listen to it on Apple Podcasts, or you can visit chatbooks.com/podcast to listen to it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. The month book subscription was, wow, that's tongue twisting. The month book subscription. Wow, that's hard to say. Ugh. Oh my gosh, really? It was like that in the entire video?